So today's our program was countdown timer. It's not only about countdown, it speaks out loud through voice. So for this we require two libraries. First one was PYTTSX3. This library purpose is it converts our text to voice. So next library was time. It contains time related functions. It gives to our program the related time related all functions, and we do manipulations about time in the program. So I hope you understand our today's program motto. So we are going, so let's go to program. So first we want to create the function countdown underscore timer. So we are giving seconds as argument for this function. Seconds contains amount of time which you want to count down from. So we count down from not down to top, up top to down. We are count down. So next was we initialize the library which pyttsx3 dot init initialization. It is used to convert text to speech. So so engine object, so it allow so engine is nothing but it allow us to use the functionality of this library. That's what the engine means. So here I am using while loop. So for the, so as a loop, the loop will, because I'm using while loop. So if you want to try another loop, try a for loop like another one. So run this. So I am using now while loop for repeatedly printing. So the loop will continue as long as the seconds greater than 0, and we'll say 3 sign before starting off program. I said like 2 seconds remaining, 3 seconds, 3 seconds remaining, 2 seconds remaining, 1 second remaining. This will speak out loud through voice. If I give input like 3, so if I give input like 4, and this line will say 4 seconds remaining, 3 seconds remaining, 2 seconds remaining, 1 second remaining, time's up. So next one, engine dot run and wait. And this line, the purpose, so this code, why I am writing this line means to make sure to after running speech command, and to make sure that it waits to complete the speech command to after before moving another move. So that's what run and wait. If you want clarity means, so engine dot run and wait means it waits to complete the speech command before completes the program, before stop the program. It waits to finish the speech command through voice, like that. So time dot sleep, we give 1 second, 1 millisecond. So why you are giving this means, so so what the motto was the motto project, the project motto was to count on the seconds. So that's why you are giving seconds for every second. So for every second the second was decreasing, between the seconds we want second gap. So that's why, so it passes the program 1 second. So next 9 seconds equal to minus equals to 1. So earlier I said about so our program was not down to up to down, or count on the numbers. Also speak out loud. So engine dot say times up. So as long as, so whenever ever since that the seconds reach 1, and it will say times up. So the loop will keep continue as long as seconds greater than 0. So engine dot run and wait, and again I will write I write this because it waits for the speech command. The program will wait for speech command to complete, to finish speech command. Before that, after the running speech command only, the program will stops. The program stop. So again, so seconds, and yeah, we are giving just input. For giving input, we are writing seconds, and int. We are giving input as integer, so we want to write int and input, enter the countdown line in seconds. So next line we just calling function and giving argument. So Just run and see this code and enjoy the code. And I tried while loop, and you want to try another loop, try once and check once. Enjoy with the code. I hope you all of you understand this. Thank you very much. Thank you.